clock keeps ticking, but I won't slow down. Building my empire in this buzzing town. Casting my vision on the silver screen. My funded life, a vivid sheen. My funded futures light the way.
What's up, everybody? What's up, Denny? What's up, everybody? Look at these S&Ps making new highs here. Look at the gold. Did you see what happened in gold today from 3 o'clock on? Holy mackerel. That's all I have to say. Holy mackerel. Unbelievable. This market is got on. Look at this silver here on the 5-minute time frame. All right, silver reverses to buy here on both the 30, 15, and 30 and 60-minute time frames. The SLVs look like silver's up. Wow, $7 here. Unbelievable. Look at this, 7% in silver. Actually, silver really closed around the 110, so really we're up about 3 here. But look at this gold here, everybody. Look at this gold. Unbelievable on gold. Gold closed at the gold with GLDs. They're going to gap up tomorrow, probably around $4 here. I mean, if you want to see something parabolic, I mean, look, I've been around a long time. All right. I've been around a long time, but if this gold gets up to the 18 to 24 range, I would short it. Silver here, what's silver doing? MACD's possible. All right, if this silver gets up to the 14, 10, 50 range, I'm going to short it. If you look here on the gold, I mean, this is just parabolic. Look, I've been around and I've seen negative 3,000 on the Dow. I've seen negative 40 oil. But to see what I'm seeing here, I mean, this is absolutely insane. Look at this. In one day, look at this. It's up 400 points in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. I could not buy gold up here with your money, really, to be honest with you, right? Anyway, how is everybody today? Okay, we're going to be giving away 10 flex plans, I believe. Am I right? If I'm wrong, Denny, please text me, but that's what I heard. We're doing 10 flex plans. I don't think the core plans are involved around anymore. Anybody new here today? Anybody new? If you're new, please text me at 914-500-7484. Almost February and almost 7,000. Great. I don't think gold's going to 7,000. I don't think so. I pray to God because I'm short a little lower, but on the GLDs, but I don't think gold's going to 7,000. It could go to 7,000 after you get some type of a pullback. I mean, you got a gap here. Okay, you got a gap here. Okay, I mean, where is this thing going here? I mean, look at the GLDs here. It's absolutely parabolic. I mean, even if you get the pullback right here to 458 is the high, you're talking 180 points, which would bring it down to like the 50-20 level. And even if this gap gets filled, which I think is going to happen, but we'll see what happens here. Silver, covered a silver below 10, gold. If you're short, look at this. Kaboosh, boom. No such word. NASDAQ will make all-time high this week for sure. Well, we got the corporate earnings tomorrow, right? What do we have? We have, what do we have here? We have some big corporate earnings here coming out. Where is gold here? Why do I have the wrong contract in gold? Did they roll gold? I have 5183. What am I looking at here? Am I looking at the wrong one? Do they roll it to April on the gold?
I think so. The new contract is
MGC what?
Let's see.
I have gold at 5175.
The GCG6.
Yeah, that's the Feb. They rolled it to April. What's April? J? April? They moved it to April. Come on, these guys, Jesus. What's the symbol? MG. What's the symbol?
GCG6.
MGCJ 26, I think. There you go. That's the new silver. Cover the gold here below 20. You got to go to April gold. You got to go to April gold. See the symbol? MGCJ26. You see that? Come on, cousin. Let's go. Get in the game. All right. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They switched to April gold. That's why. Thank you, Jay Shine. I don't know why they roll gold so fast, though. If you're short the gold, just drop down to 18 and a half. Silver just got kabooshed. Two for two here. Anybody new, you could text me at 914-500-7484. Let's go. Let's do this, man. Let's do this. Let's do this. They rolled to April. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Mikey Jacques, how are we? Got to get this nice pullback to come here. Boom. Where the hell is this April gold going? Jesus, this is not cool. This is definitely not cool here. I'd short this gold here on the April 30. Jesus, where's this thing going? Good Lord. This is insane. April gold, 35. I would short some gold here and look to cover here. Look to cover this gold here on the April. We're looking at April contract here. This is insane. Look to cover this gold here anywhere between the 30 and 32 range. Boom. Oh, my God almighty. You see the gold drop like that? Damn! Look at the gold drop. Silver, I'd short this silver 114.35 to 85. The question is, why not? You trade it, you scalp it, and then what you do is you wait for a pullback on the bigger time frame to go long. That's what you do. That's what you do. That's what you do in my book, right? You just try to trade it. And plus, let's see here. How's it going? I don't know. Ask gold that. It's going up. Yeah, but you wait for the bigger pullbacks. Like, you know, like today, for example, you want to see a pattern? I'll show you a pattern. Okay. You want to see the GLDs? This is when the 30-minute time frame reversed to buy. I called this long right here on the oversold condition. Did I expect it to go 100 points higher? No, I don't think anybody did. But I'm scalping shorts here. You got non-confirmations on the 5. Gold just dropped. I would lower your stops. Silver is dropping. I would lower your stops if you're short. There's so much money to be made if you know the patterns, right? Okay. Okay, how about the NASDAQ? NASDAQ's pushing up here. Look at the gold drop. Jesus, just dropped $8, $9 on gold. Okay, but what about when gold, the stop orders come in and they knock it down 150 points on the stops? You ever been in that? You ever been in that camp? Okay, thank God I haven't been. You know the stop orders in gold here from probably 49.50 all the way up here? Look at this gold drop. Look at this, Jay Lee. My guy shorted it, just down 10. Look at this. 34 points to go for what? NASDAQ, Russell just got caboose on that 34 points. MyFundedFutures by far is the best prop firm. Luke is going to be on from 10 to 11 tomorrow. I just did a really great call with him. 52.18 to recover. It's going to be there. You're $5 away. I hope you have your bids out there, 52.18. Okay. Now, gold just dropped 17. Look at Lee up 6,400. Look at that. MyFundedFutures is the best. Silver just got absolutely kabooshed. Now, you see why I'm shorting the gold? The 5-minute MACD cannot confirm. You see that? The 5-minute MACD?
Yeah.
The 5-minute MACD cannot confirm the highs. Okay? What a short. How could you lose $1,300 on silver? Not with me. Yeah, no, I'm trading. Who's that? Kobe? Kobe, I'm really trading the metals. I just shorted gold up there in my real account. Good morning. It's good afternoon. Good evening. What a short. Oh, my God. Now, that's why you short the gold. You see that? That's why you short the gold. You think I'm gonna be long something parabolic like this? What are you on, morphine? This hell no, that's 43 years of experience. Okay? Look at that. Who's short the gold? Okay? Who's short the gold at 18? Oh my God. It's Christmas in January. So small. I don't know, dude. One guy's up $6,400. Maybe you're trading, small. The dollar's going up. Yes. Okay. My goodness gracious. My goodness gracious. Wow. Gold just got absolutely kabooshed. And this is what I was looking at here. This is called the Divergence strategy. You're making new highs here, and these MACDs on the 5 cannot confirm. The guy who just bought 38.5s on gold, he just jumped. I should have bought it down here against the double blue into the positive MACD, just ripped 10. But it's hard to buy something when it's parabolic, okay? Because it could drop 200 points like that. And I've seen it all, okay? I've been in this game going on 44 years. You don't think I've seen things? I've seen things you guys would have nightmares over, okay? Seriously, all right? Nothing phases me. I've seen it all. And that's why being a great trader, you have to have the mindset to be prepared all the time, constantly, right? Constantly be prepared. That's what this is about. Go get him, Lee. What a short on that gold. Yes, there are 10 giveaways tonight. I believe they're the flex plan. So please don't quote me. You're up 3,000 on the gold. Go get them. There you go. 3,000 on the gold. Anybody new here? Anybody new? Would like a 5-day free trial to my Discord every day from 8:30 to 4. Okay. Good job, Lee. Lee's an animal. Lee's faster than me. Unbelievable. If you want a 5-day free trial to my live stream, you could just text me 914-500-7484, full name and email. Good night. You just got here. Good night. Oh, my God. What happened, honey? Boo-boo? Right? Even you got mad? My henny got mad. Wow. Copper buys? I'm not looking at copper. If you want me to look at copper, how about platinum was down 13% today at one point? 13%. I would love to see gold down 13%. Oh, my God. Oh, Lord, please. Oh, what a Christmas present that would be. NASDAQ, I'd probably look to short the NASDAQ here. You got NVIDIA up over 3 here overnight. Amazon's up. You got earnings coming out tomorrow, right? You got Microsoft pre-market up 2. Everything's hunky-dory here. You got Apple up $1. Palantir finished. I would probably take shorts here, S&P and NASDAQ for a pullback. 3,000 in 15 minutes. Just best job in the world. You see that? That's what I'm talking about. Make $600 on 5 accounts. You see that? That's what I'm talking about right there. Do you get short?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
You hit your goal?
No, I was in the wrong account.
What does that mean? You were making up from the loss?
Yeah.
Okay. That's a great job, man. That's a great job. Great job, Jeffrey. Should be very proud. All right. All right. Let's do this, everybody. Man, oh, man. Right out of the gate. Boom. You got to look to buy pullbacks on the NASDAQ, though. This is a squeeze in the market, is a bull trap for a bigger drop later this year. I don't know, later. It could be the next 5 weeks. This thing could drop 300 points. I mean, a 10% pullback on gold only brings it to 520 points. You're still in the uptrend. So even if you got to 4,700 on gold, it's still on an uptrend, right? I mean, just November, we dipped below 4,000 for a blip. Just in November. From November till now, we're up 1,200 points. I mean, what's gold up here now? Gold's up like 18% year to date, and silver's up what? Jesus, 54% for the year? I mean, come on. Right? The indices are moving what? Well, they rolled over to the April gold. I don't know why they rolled over to April. We're not even in February yet. Usually they do it like a week or two before expiration. That's crazy.
Yeah, I'm confused on the gold.
I don't know. Anyway. Yeah, but if the dollar collapses, Stephen, there's no way the index futures should rally. Okay? There's no way that the index futures should rally if that's what you think. Okay? James Robertson, you get that short up there, James Robertson? If you have delayed data, you're screwed. Planet Taurus, how are you? Anybody new? Anybody wants to talk futures with me? You could just text me 914-500-7484. NASDAQ's got a 95 overbought reading. I would short the NASDAQ here. 225 up to 55. You have a 97 overbought. Hey, EMM, wanting to put cash anywhere. You don't buy the first 5-minute pullback. That push up is off the 15. When you see gold here, the ADXs are rising on the 30. The ADXs are rising on the 15 right here. You buy this pullback on the oversold condition right here. I mean, just to get this gap filled here on the gold. I mean, when do you see a gap on the gold? Where's this gap right here? 5,100. You got a 100-point decline, no problem coming. But just to touch the 10 bar, what I like to see the ADXs are rising. I like to see something like this. Get down below 5,000 and go pew to 5,400. There goes the gold and silver. I mean, yeah, I don't know. The volume's in the February, right? That's what I said. Yeah. This market's scary. No, it's not. It shouldn't be scary. I never was fearful of one market. I mean, you know what it's like to trade back in 08? You know what it's like to trade back in 01? You know what it's like to trade back in the crash of 87? I mean, I've been around 44 years. I've seen it all. Okay? Right? You know what it's like to see the moves in COVID? Right? A negative 40 oil, right? A Dow down 3,000, right? Come on, I could write a book bigger than War and Peace here. All right. Might get one more push up here on the gold. That's what I'm hoping for. And the 10-bar moving average, I would just love for gold to touch the 10-bar or dip below it. You take the measured move, right? You take the 5,200 minus the 4,800, you got 5,600, right? That's how you do it. I can't even think about buying gold up here, to be honest with you. You get the short up there?
My market data's messed up. I'm figuring it out right now.
You just came all this way and your market data's frozen?
Yeah.
The hell is that? Anybody new here? Anybody new? Jeff, have a safe trip, Jeff. Be safe. I don't know where you're going, but be safe. Yeah, Mikey Jock, I was on the front page of USA Today in 87. I'll never forget that day. I didn't get home till 3 o'clock in the morning, took a shower, and got back in my car and went right back to the exchange. That was that Friday and then Black Monday. So it was 2 days. It was a Friday and then the Monday. I had to come back Saturday morning at 7 o'clock in the morning. I went home, showered, got back in my car. I don't think I slept for the whole weekend. I was literally wide awake. Let me look at copper. Let me look at copper, HG here. I don't see copper really doing anything here, up 1%. I mean, it's not really participating. Let's look at platinum. This platinum, oh my God, up of course 146. I'm praying to the good. Wow, look at this copper. Look at this copper. I'm dying for this copper to get oversold. Then you got to buy the hell out of it. Look, 2100, boom, 24. What day is that? 1231 PPLT. What'd that PPLT? What did it do here? 181, boom. Wow. PPLT is an animal. That's the name. That's the name to buy. All right. It'll be 44 years, Shushin. 44 years come this August 1st. Thank you, Catalina. All right. Anybody new here tonight? Anybody have any questions here? You know, somebody, I was just talking to Luke, 7 months ago when I approached MyFundedFutures, and I said, we got to do the night session. I said, I think these metals are going to really start heating up. And Luke immediately jumped on it. Kudos to Luke. A lot of times you talk, but I have a history with Luke. I know him over, close to 12 years when he was at Benzinga. But what a great guy, phenomenal. To believe in the vision like that. And I said, we got to do the night stream, okay? And I know a couple other firms are doing it, but not like, what we do and what I explain and whatever. And I just got to tell you, kudos to Luke, a visionary person, just gave me the green light, said, let's do it. Boom, let's get it done. Silver, should have bought that long here, 86. I can't take silver down. How can I take silver down? Can't take silver down. But here, you're thinking about this, right? So you got gold making new highs, but silver hit that 117.70 is not making new high. Granted, it could, get another push up here. I mean, how many things can I do? Nat gas. I mean, I don't have enough screen. I need more screens. I want to add copper, platinum. I'll add nat gas, whatever. How many things can you do? Nat gas, I wouldn't be long nat. I mean, nat gas goes from $1.78 to $4.28 like in no time. What are you, crazy? What are you, nuts? Hey, Vlad, how are you? I should trade crude oil a lot. I mean, I really wasn't really big in the energy. I mean, couple days active in oil, couple days active in that. But the S&Ps are my favorite. Don't ask me. Okay, it's not that I don't love the NASDAQ, and trust me, I can do both. Doesn't make a difference to me. The biggest contracts I ever did was 1,000 S&Ps and 1,000 NASDAQ twice. 1,000 contracts live. So that was pretty. I think S&Ps, I think I did 1,000 once. I bought 1,000 S&Ps at 12.25. I never forget that trade. 1,000 contracts, one shot, boom. That was it. Yep. Look at the USD, the dollar. Now, I need more monitors, Lee. I gotta have them tilted. I may have to have a fourth row, I'm thinking. But God willing, oil was during COVID, there was a -40. A -40 oil. I called my kids and said, I'm not filling the pool up with water. Get ready. You want to fill it with black gold. But yeah, I'm talking about building the Traders Cafe here. Yes, Jay. So it's MGCJ26, James. Okay. I'm really hoping I can get this Traders Cafe, build this thing out. This would be really awesome. Kaboom. Absolutely a kaboom. You know, I really love to see that. So, Fax, where you going from Brazil? You guys don't sleep. You guys party. You got the silver short, Lee. I'd be careful. I think silver may get one more push up here. If the silver gets down to the 62.02 level, or you can go long 65 to 05, I'd probably look to buy the silver here again. Unbelievable. Man, I am freezing my tuchus off here in Florida. It was 57 degrees. Look at Lee. Lee just went from 6,200 to 7,200. Lee, I leave this room to you, Lee. Lee's going to be my replacement. Yes, we're going to do 10 giveaways tonight. Flex plans, the new ones. Now, here's what you guys got to remember, okay? I live in Jupiter Beach, Florida, okay? You guys have to be here when I read out your name. That's the rule. That's the rule. Some people were putting their names in 5, 6, 7 times. That's a no-no. The system caught it, okay? Number 2, number 1, you need to be here. Number 2, you need to register and have an account with MyFundedFutures. And if your name is called, then you can win. If you don't have an account, forget it. It's over. Chicago's -24. There goes the gold right back up on that little bull flag. All right. So this Sunday, it's going to be 26 degrees Sunday morning in Florida. Can you believe it?
I can't, honestly. I have no winter clothes either.
I can't take it.
I'm going to have to go to the...
What size are you?
I'm a little extra large, depending.
I might have a couple, like the heavy fleeces.
Yeah.
I'll let you know, but I don't know. I think they're larges, though.
They may be larges, depending on the brand.
They may be extra large, but they're like really like the thick fleeces. Like I used to wear these as like a coat when I was in Manhattan.
Yeah, when it gets this cold, I don't even go outside.
No, you're wearing shorts, dude.
I know. I don't know what I was thinking.
You must be. What are you on, morphine? Oh no, that's too cold, man. My favorite temperature is north of 85. North of 85.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I love it. North of 85. All right, let's see if this silver can drop to the 60 to 13 level. 60 to 13 level. Got to go 40 wide on silver. This NASDAQ ain't breaking here. 85 or more. See, James Robertson, that's what happens, right? 85 or more. Brazil is 27 degree. If you bought the gold here, silver below 13, just trade it 0510. There goes the silver right back up. Okay, silver just ran about 18. You get the silver long?
Oh, right. Now I'm in
No.
business. Oh, right. Okay.
Man, it just died. Okay, come on. All right, NASDAQ. Look to cover the NASDAQ between 10 and 20. We need to get the S&Ps to drop here, the 15s. Look at the ADX is rising here. Any thoughts on what? NASDAQ, I called the short, 25 to 55. I just think, all right, we're going to do 10 giveaways. Are you guys signing up for the giveaways? Please. Are you guys signing up for the giveaways? Please. It's important that you sign up, because if you don't sign up and I call your name, it's over. You don't win. You don't win. Let's see if this silver can get down to the 55 to 95 range. I would look to take a long on silver. These 15s are setting up some bull flag here. Got to get the NASDAQ to drop a little bit more here. There goes the silver. Hi-oh, silver. Oh. Look to scale out any longs here on silver between the 90 and even level. If it gets back up there. Got to go wide. Gold's only up 4. Again, here we go on the go. All right, NASDAQ's dropping. I would look to cover between the 10 and 20 range. S&P's just dropped 2. There goes the silver. There goes the silver right back up. 6. You see that? 35 cents. Beautiful. James Robertson, 5,000 on one trade on silver. Go get him, James. Couldn't happen to a nicer person. You want to short gold? I wouldn't do it here.
Silver on the H contract?
Silver is on the, yes.
QI.
Yes, SIL, H. Whew. Hot diggity dog. How do you sign up? You have to go to, I believe on, Aaron, is there a way for them to sign up on my YouTube for the MyFundedFutures? Listen, Lady Luck, luck or no luck, you made the 5 big ones. On the low, you caught the we caught the low on that silver and it exploded to the upside from like 06, 05, 80, 05, 80, not 5 or 90. Kaboom, right up to 107.30. Good Lord. I believe, good job. Yep. Yeah, James, that was, I'm very happy for James. All right, silver just rallied about 40 cents off the low just now. Relentless, these metals. You know, 6, 7, 8, about 7 months ago, 8 months ago, when I introduced the metals to people like, when I was doing the night stream, like, why are you calling out, why are you trading gold and silver? I said, what? I said, why not? And they said, hey, Jennifer, get in there, Jennifer. And so I short the gold here again. If it gets up to the 39 to 46 range, 47, or you can go like 38 to like 46 range. And people are like, why are we doing silver and gold? We've never traded it before. I'm like, are you crazy? Just because you never traded it before, right? I know you made 5,000 in less than like 8 seconds, right? So people are like, you know, Steve, not for nothing, we should be focusing on the index futures. I'm like, but they're not moving. They're not moving. Okay, look at this gold, just silver rally about 70, 80 cents. And I said, okay, so let's put all your fears aside. Forget about all your fears of trading the metals. Who cares? There's scalp trading and pattern trading. So all you got to do is make believe you're trading water. Huh. So, okay, so instead of saying gold or silver, right, we're going to trade water. Right? Oh my God. People's like their whole mindset just like shifted. Right? Oh my God. I never thought of it like that. Bada bing, bada boop, bada bop. I'm like, oh my Lord. Right? Well, anyway, what I have to say truthfully is I'm so proud of all of you to get acclimated to the mindset to trade gold and silver, platinum and copper. Okay. Unbelievable. I mean, I have people telling me that the checks that they're getting is strictly because of trading the metals, and that they would never have traded the metals if it wasn't for MyFundedFutures sponsoring this show at night. Black Mamba, you still long, Black Mamba? Damn, Black Mamba. Black Mamba. That's impressive, Black Mamba. That is impressive, Black Mamba. Thank you. That means a lot. Well, if I were you, I can't tell you what to do, but I probably would sell one of them, lock it in. You know, Black Mamba. Oscar, there was a man named Oscar. Look at silver up $1. I know the pattern. Black Mamba, come and visit me. Look at the gold, 41. I gotta get in here. I short the gold here. If gold gets up to the, I'd short the gold here. 44, 43 and a half, 44. My God, I can't even trade it this fast. At 43 and a half up to 50 and a half. Look at the silver go. Oscar, Oscar, Oscar. Lower your stops if you're short gold. Lower your stops if you're short. 43.5 up to 50.5. Gold's going to drop here. What was the high? 47 on the gold? Try to short. 40. I got 45.5. That's the February contract. We're trading April's, the J's. Right? Jessica, you're trading silver? Go get him, Jessica. My phone's blown up with people who want the 5-day free trial. You just got to text me your full name and email. My number is 914-500-7484. Oh, my God. Look at this gold. Are you bananas? You got to go wide on the gold. You can't, you know what I'm saying? You got to go wide on the gold. What a long on silver. Silver just doesn't have it in it tonight. I don't know why, but silver just doesn't have it in it. Gold's $26 above the 10-bar weighted moving average. If you're short the gold, look to cover between 41 and 44 if you're short. Boom. Come on, where's this gold going? Oh my God, where's this thing going? Jesus, Lord God Almighty. This is what I was afraid of. See if this gold can drop here. I'd be short up here. Oh my God, you gotta be kidding me. Oof. See if this gold can drop here. Who's buying this thing up here, really? See if this gold can drop here. There we go. Come on, drop. You short?
I was.
You got stopped?
Yeah.
I'd be shorted. Who's buying this gold up here? Just traded down to 53 just now, almost 59. Should drop here. Silver can't even get going here. This silver, if this gold drops here, I look to cover anywhere between the 49 and 55 range. Up 9,000 on silver. Good job.
You're on the full. You're on that other contract, right?
I'm on the J's.
Yeah.
It's impossible to trade this from the long side, though. It's moving $1 on a clip. It goes from 55 to 58. You see that? This thing is no overhead resistance, though. All right, let's see if this thing can drop here. Come on, drop. Oh my God, give me a caboose here. Here we go. Come on, drop. Drop to 51. Come on. Where's this thing going? $60 on the gold, really? I mean, what the hell are they thinking here on this gold?
What's the price on gold that you have?
On J's?
Yeah.
58. Come on, we got to get it to drop. Come on. Give me a caboose here. Silver can't get going here. That's the other thing here. Silver can't get going. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Yes! I got it! Damn, I got it! Good! Damn! Woo! Woo! Man! What a short! That was a little scary, I tell you. Woo! Oh my God! Damn! Silver, gold. Oh my God! Where's the oh my God! Where's the G's? Where's the G's? The Febs. Are the Febs? Where the Febs trading? Good job, Shushen. Oh, please drop. This gold, what do you call it? This I think this thing is going to drop big. So if you look here on gold, let me just teach you a little something here. So you see the algorithm here? 31. The moving average is 27. You're 4, 5, 6 above. That means that the algorithm is going to reverse itself first before it touches the 10 bar. And for that happening, that's a no-no. That's a no-no. Okay?
I'm sweating for you.
Get in there, guys. That was awesome. That was awesome. You know, I saw the pullback into the positive MACDs at 18, 19, but I can't see them. I mean, I know it's a pattern. So I bought this. Okay, this silver is really lagging here. I'm telling you, I want to wake up. Feb gold 52.14. Okay. Overbought. This thing's been overbought for forever, right? Great job, Kenny. Great job. King Brino, great job, King. Like that name. Anybody new here wants a 5-day free trial to my live stream? Again, what we're doing here is scalping. This was a pattern. Now, this is the double. What is this? The gold on the 5? Why is that different, though? Just curious why that's different. Yeah, right. Buy. Short the trend is like suicide. Not if you know what you're doing. And you know what? Not everybody is good, right? You have to be a scalper, okay? If you're a scalper like this gold's going to drop. Steven, 51 incoming, 51 incoming, 51 incoming, Steven. Here you go. There you go, Steven. Die. Look at his gold. Just dropped 11. Oh, please. All I want to do is wake up and go down 300-400. I'll be the happiest guy in the world. Right? Get in there, Jennifer.
Nice.
You short?
Yeah.
How much you make?
Short of silver, I made 300.
Oh, you not gold?
Nah.
Silver's lagging here.
It just dropped.
I know, but you got to be very careful, though, because silver can come out of the woodwork like a beast, a Bayonne. You know what I'm saying? This thing's an animal.
I haven't heard that in a while.
You know? This thing's an animal. Belongs in a cage. Hot diggity dog. Freaking gold rate just ran $30 on that pattern. Here comes the NASDAQ dropping. We had the highs on the NASDAQ. I did say look to cover 10 to 20 on the NASDAQ, but it dropped even further. Whew. Jessica, you missed that gold or silver? Silver blowout? Oh, I'm telling you right now, from my lips to your ears, you're going to wake up and you're going to see gold down 250. I'm telling you. The Beast from Bayonne. That's a t-shirt. I agree. Let's see here. A lot of people blowing up my phone for this 5-day free trial. Anybody want? I stream every day from 8:30 to 4. Hot diggity dog. Silver is not too fast for human. I have people who absolutely destroy it every day. So if scalping, listen, you have to identify yourself, right? You have to identify. I don't think you'll ever see a gold 500 point. I think you'll see a gold 200, 250, yes. But, you know, people have to identify themselves with who they are, right? I'm a pattern trader, but I'm also known for a scalp trading. And that is an art in itself. Not everybody can scalp trade. I'm going to be honest with you. It takes a certain person. I'm not saying pattern traders aren't the same, but I've been doing this now 43 years plus. In a few more months, it'll be, what, in 6 months, it'll be, what, 44 years. But you got to remember, oh, my God, die, just drop 50. Look at this thing. Okay, again, you're making new highs to non-confirmation on the 5, right? Get in there. So anyway, my point is that scalping is an art, okay? You have to be emotionless. You have to be fast. You have to have discipline. You have to have the skill set of one of the best athletes you can think of, and you have to be precision, right? Kabooshed. Just drop 14. Oh, please drop 500. I'm serious. If gold ever is down to 4,900, I just may run around. I can't say it, but look at the gold drop. 17 down. Silver kabooshed from 14 down 1. Scalping requires a significant amount of training, and not everybody can scalp. Okay, I mean, like, you have to be precision. All right, it's 9 o'clock. You guys got 1 minute to register for the raffle. We're going to do 10 giveaways. Good job. Scalping is look at this gold down 19. Okay, 19. I told you, when the algorithm is above the 10-bar moving average, these up 10 G's. You short a gold at 52. Why are you late to the game? It traded up to 60. I was short 57, 58, 59, 60s. I had more to sell, 63 and 65s. 3,100 on what? 2 minis? Good job. 2 big ones? Wow. Okay, Zigris doesn't like that I'm excited when the market. I don't know. I don't know. If you can't get excited in this game, this ain't a library, right? I mean, you know, I'm not knocking you. I'm not knocking you. Okay. You got to have emotion. I have more passion now than I did when I started in the game, you know? So this is not like, oh, gold's dropping. Oh, okay. It's wonderful. It just dropped 9. Steven, you can cover. I think it's going to hit 51. You can cover your shorts. This ain't the passion of winning. Is for you. Tell Tom Brady when he was down 28-3, did he sit there on the bench and say, "It's okay, guys, we're gonna come back and win"? You want to hear the video of him screaming? You want to see the video of the passion? That's a winner, right?
I don't listen.
Okay, I'm here for you guys to win. I'm not judgmental. I don't care. I don't care what you do. All I want to do is see you guys successful. Okay, and you know what? It's unbelievable, the winning feeling, right? All right. The winning feeling is unbelievable. You think Tom Brady, when he won that Super Bowl 31-28, he was in probably one of the best Super Bowls he ever won, coming back the way he did, right? You ask him that question, right? Michael Jordan taking the final shot, right? And winning a game or a championship game or a playoff game. The win is the thrill. That's why you're here. You know what I'm saying? It's like, oh, well, it's just dropped 16. I think, that was wonderful short. That was pinpoint precision. You can't. You got to be in the game, the moment. When it's going against you and the pattern's right, and you still have the guts to put the trade on and to be fearless and to be able to put the trade on and then to be able. This is what 43 years of experience is about. And I'm trying to share that with you because to become a great trader, there are many traits and many things you need to have. You need to have passion to win. You need to have the consistency. You have to have the discipline, the focus, laser sharp focus, because focus equals fortune, right? Okay. So anyway, look, I'm going to tell you a great story. I'm not going to mention his name. I've known the guy for over 40 plus years. One of the biggest, best traders in the world. Okay. I have the honor and privilege to call him a friend. Okay. And he decided to hang it up. And I was working side by side with him for every single day. And I said to him one day when I went to his home, and I said to him, he told me he was going to call it quits and everything. And I said, I got to say something from the bottom of my heart. My children are the greatest joys of my life. And I said, outside of my children, knowing you and working with you and being my friend is the second greatest joy of my life. And I know we'll always be friends, but I'm going to miss what we did every single day together. And he got up across the room and gave me the biggest hug in the world. And I swear to God, hand on a Bible, that is a 100% honest to God truth. The thrill of this game, to be able to challenge yourself, to be able to compete like an athlete every day, to be consistent, to have the mindset, to be able to seek rewards. Where can you go in this industry, in any industry, overnight? I have guys getting payouts of $200,000 with me. Okay. It's not just the joy of making money. It's the joy that you know what you're doing, the joy that you're successful, that you can identify something, that you limit your mistakes, and that you're able to make progress every day. That's what this game is about. Period. End of story. Right? So, with that being said, if you see me jumping up and down like a baboon, or you see me sometimes punching something or throwing something, it's just the emotions, right? It's the emotion of success. It's not the emotion of listen, you don't think I've ever lost on a trade? I lost $100,000 on a trade. I lost several $1 million on not putting an AOL order in. It gapped up 85 points. I would have made $7.9 million in 6 minutes. Okay. You don't think these things have not happened to me? Okay. So, and MyFundedFutures allowing me to be here for those 2 hours, Monday through Thursday, and Denny. Okay. You got some combination here. Okay. You got some combination here. All right. And 7-8 months ago when I was in Miami, and I said, we got to do a night stream, and we got to do the metals. And within 2 days, I got the green light. Not 2 weeks, 2 months, 2 years, 2 days. Okay. So, when you work with the best of the best in the world, and you've done it, I've traded nearly close to 2 billion shares in my life. Look at this gold drop 23. When I've traded nearly 2 billion shares in my life, I've moved markets, I've seen things, you know, basically, you know, now it's time for you guys. Yeah, it was close to $8 million on AO, maybe more. So, what was it? Hold on, I'll tell you now. It was $8.6 million. I forgot to put the buy of 100,000 shares in to buy AOL when it was being added to the S&P 500. I had that right on my desk, the ticket. I clocked it. I picked up the phone to do something else. Blah, 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 blah. I was doing something. I said, Ronnie, call me. Ronnie, is that you? I said, buy it. Hold on. Boom, boom, boom. I forgot to give him the buy 100,000 market. AOL. I would have bought the stock between 83 and 84. It gapped up to 165. Look at the tape, 167 or something like that. True story. AOL when it was added to the S&P 500. And I actually was going to put another 100,000 shares to sell short, limit on close. And then it gapped down $12 the next day. So another 1.2 million. Okay. So, you know, things blank happens all the time. All right. This gold should get one more. If this gold gets down to the 34.5, 40.5 range, you could take a scalp long. Scalp long because I'm petrified being long here. Okay. I'm only going to short the damn thing. I think this is not hyperinflation. I think this is a fear that our currency is in a lot of trouble. And like today, did you see what happened today? At one point, the dollar yen was trading 155.30 and traded down 130 pips like that. I know you guys, I don't know if you guys understand the dollar yen, but it really signifies that our dollar in our pockets or in our banks are worth poo-poo, okay? So we don't want to be like another Venezuela or anything like that. But for gold to make a move like this, silver, a little bit more commodity-driven, used in different parts and different things like that. But it's funny because when silver was $29, we all had iPhones, right? We all had right? So, and just what 3-4 weeks ago, silver was below 70, right? So, all right, there goes the gold. One more push up. We talked since 2009. All right. Anyway, there goes the S&Ps right back up on the beautiful long. S&Ps just ran 3. $40. I was trading silver when it was 18 to 19. How's that? 11, 12 silver. When will silver get cabooshed? It'll have its day. NASDAQ, I'm not looking for a short in NASDAQ now. I'm waiting for another push up. Not here. Will gold tank? Gold, I would cancel the buy range. Yeah, of course, gold will tank. You think something parabolic like this ain't going to drop? Of course it's going to drop. Going to wake up one morning or in the middle of the night, you're going to see gold down 150. What? A couple of weeks ago, gold was down 180 points, right? Gold was down 180, right? I can't say the word buy here. You're crazy. I think I would love to see gold get to 4,800. Close. I mean, the standard deviation on this is like 50. We're 425. So really 370 point difference. It's really just out of whack. I mean, literally, the guy who just bought gold at 52.60, he jumped. I don't think it's because of a bank. Just my personal opinion. What happened? You short?
Hmm?
You short?
Everything.
No, not parabolic like this, though. If this gold gets down to the 29.5, 35.5, maybe you could take a scalp long here. What was the low? 35 here? 34. You know, the thing, like I said to everybody, that you have to remember and understand, truthfully, okay, is that when you're trading the markets, okay, what you really need to focus on overall is just the consistency factor, period. Gold just ran 6 here. I do it this year. I don't know when the stress tests are, to believe it or not. Come on. Never ends. What are you doing? You doing anything? How much you up?
300
Oh, are you not playing gold?
silver.
Are you just playing silver? Market's just come really relentless here, to be honest with you. All right, we got about 45 minutes to the end of the night. But we're gonna, it's sort of ranges. I agree, the market's been parabolic. Okay.
It's kind of died off.
Well, I mean, that was some excitement there.
Mhm.
What, you long?
Yep,
You long what? Gold or silver?
silver.
Okay.
What a trade. Shit. I'm up 1,200 right now.
Nice.
It wasn't nice for a little bit. I was sweating a little bit.
Silver is terrifying sometimes.
Yeah. All right, gold, I would cancel the buy range here. Would I short? Yes, no. Look at the 15-minute time frame. I think they're going to go higher. All right. Let's put the silver back up here for a minute. Another good long right here.
I bought at 50.
What's that?
I bought at 50.
If you where here silver,
13.50. Yeah.
you can't tell me you watch it go down to 12.95. You don't buy more.
No, I didn't.
You bought it here?
At 113.50.
No. What time did you buy it?
Like 4 minutes ago.
So you bought it around here or here.
Yeah, I was a little early. I sweat a little bit.
This is the pattern right here, though. This is the one we had before.
Are you rocking the big contract? Crazy.
Well, that's how that's. UNH took some caboose and the market still went up. This is a way to sweat.
You hear me quiet? I'm sweating.
That's right. Daddy participated in the gold rush.
I got 75. I'm good though. Oof.
Nice.
I think I'm done.
I think gold wants to get caboosed here
MACDs are not making any highs.
on the 5-minute, but the other MACDs in the 30 and 60 are.
I don't know. There's not much volume on there.
All right.
So which one?
I wouldn't be short gold here. Then you may get one more push up. What?
This is which one do you believe then?
Well, if
The
you're
5,
scalping,
15, 30.
I mean, you got the ADX is rising on the 15 and 30 and 60. This, the reason why you scalped the gold was because you were $20 from the 10-bar moving average. It could go to 30, it can go to 30. You re-short it, you get stopped, you put it back out again. That's the only reason why to short the gold. But the ADXs are rising on the 15, 30, and 16. You got monster buying pressure. So, I mean, gold just ran $10 just now off the prior bar. So, all right. Whew. Hey, Jonathan. Even with UNH down, the Dow was only down $4. I mean, come on, really? $4? Whew. See, it paid for you to come in here. And you know what the funny thing is? I was thinking about you today.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I was like, where the hell is he?
Yeah, I had some clients to deal with, and I was like, you know what? I should pass by today.
Do you trade during the day?
9:30 to around 11.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And then I go into my office, and then now I'm trading nights with you.
Not bad for a Wednesday night. Nah, me neither. I don't think anything's really going to happen. He's not going to cut interest rate. He's not. He hates Papa Trump. Are you kidding me? Oof. And Papa Trump hates him. What's new, pussycat? It's only Tuesday. The CPI tomorrow, it's going to be probably in line.
CPS tomorrow.
You saw the CPI is tomorrow? I didn't see that. I thought the PPI was Friday.
Check.
I didn't see that.
Let me check. It says,
No, I got the FOM. There's no CPI tomorrow. It's the Fed. Then on Thursday,
tomorrow's the rate decision.
yeah,
That's it.
you got on Thursday you have factory orders at 10.
FOMC,
Then you got the core PPI on Friday. There goes the gold right back up.
jobless claims is on Thursday.
Friday is PPI. Yeah. There's no CPI tomorrow. I mean, I knew this calendar. That was a nice long on the gold below 35. Just ran 14. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. You long the NASDAQ? I think the 15s are going to turn up here. PPI's tomorrow. There goes the gold. Oh. Lee, you're up $10,000, Lee. I would just call it quits. I can't tell you what to do, but I would just call it quits. Right? All right, we got about a half hour here. I'm going to charge my phone. All right. Miles away. It doesn't matter. Hi, Boo Boo. You woke up. I woke you up just now. I woke you up. So he was laying on the bed here today, and all of a sudden somebody knocked to bring me a whiteboard or something, because they threw my whiteboard out, believe it or not. And he barked. The whole lot, everybody, they never heard him bark. He gets a lot of attention. Big face. Hey, Daddy. Where's your father? He's a good boy, my boy. He's a good. Look at my boy. Look at my boy. Look at my boy. Look at my boy. Eddie boy. Hendricks. I love my boy. Who's my boy?
And I'm allergic to some dogs, but when then I'm not.
I'll tell you, when I got him, he was all ribs, and his hair was like, looked like is all bristly, you know. But I'm glad I saved him.
Oh, you want water? Go ahead, go get water.
Oh my God, Sam. Mary had my right eye. I had the pain over my right eye. I almost opened up my Johnny Walker. Did you guys I wouldn't short gold here now, no. Listen to my moose. Listen to this moose. He drinks a gallon of water a day. He's a good boy. He's so good.
When he drops it, you probably have to use 2 hands.
Oh, forget it. When he drinks and then he runs over to my daughter and me, hello, he drools all over me. But I love him to death, right? No more food, Hendrix. All right, look at this gold. 35 up to 8. It just ran 18. Good boy. Daddy loves you. All right. Lee, great job, Lee. Look at this. Look at that pullback. So when you have the ADXs rising here, okay, when you have the ADXs rising on the 15, the 30, right here, what a bull flag right here. Oh, my Lordy. 60 points up on the 30. That's a Picasso right here. You see the ADX and then the 16-minute, another ADX rising. Okay. That's why I was calling the long right here. I said 29.5 to 36.5 range, but and by the time I got there, it was 37, 38. So again, if you look at the gold futures, this is the April contract. Oh, how nice. You have 443 points just from the 10 bar. So basically 480. Look at this. So the algorithm is higher than the moving average. This is going to end bad. I'm telling you, I know this pattern. When the algorithm is above the moving average, look out below. Look out below. That's all I have to say is look out below. I believe it or not, I'm telling you, you could walk in here and see gold down 250, 280 points. I wouldn't be surprised. Just from a historic overbought. Do you think tomorrow's the blow off? No. That's why when I did this, I said you have to trade the metals at night. If you long the NASDAQ, even this gap here is 51. That's 130 points. How about Reddit today? Oof. Kabooshed. Very quiet. What's going to keep the NASDAQ up for a while here is the 15-minute time frame here, or the S&Ps. Look at the 15s turning up here. I don't know how much further they're going to go, though. Just ran about 4 there. The daily gap. Where do you see a daily gap at 4,600? Let's see, daily gap. Oh, you got a gap right here. Right here. This gap right here. You got a gap here. 4,300, right? Right? Here's another gap. Here, that's the same gap.
Silver's going up.
What's the symbol for Seagate? SEA? What's the symbol for Seagate? Anybody know? I don't know. I'm looking for the market to pull in at least more than 2/3 of the distance. I do go live on Sunday nights. I was live Sunday from 8 to 9. I was actually watching the football game, and I got up and I saw gold. And I said, that's it, I'm getting. Oh, STX, thank you. Oh, my God. Where's this thing going? What the heck? You got to be kidding me.
What is Seagate?
It's a technology company. Look at this gold. Look at this gold. I got to short at least a couple here. Look at this gold.
Minis for metals move a lot faster.
I short this gold here, 62 up to 80, up to 70. Look at this stupid trade station. It made me put in it said a stop order, you idiot. Oh, I pop a Trump hat. So that pullback on the 5-minute time frame went from 34, just ran 26. Damn it. Anybody get 62s on that? Just drop 4. Silver's not even moving here.
Ooh.
Oh my God. What a caboose! Damn, you short?
Yeah.
Damn it. This thing, I put an order into short at 62. And it said I put a stop order in. I didn't even know how to put a stop order in. How does that happen? Oh, my God. Wow, what a short. Again, non-confirmation. This one here, the MACDs are negative. Oh, that was a caboose. I know gold dropped 10. All right. Enough is enough with this rally already. As I say, you never leave an order in. Always cancel. All right. Anybody get the short up there on the gold? What is it saying? I mean, historically, what? Gold to silver ratio 1 to 2, but in the last 100 years. You got the short? Marshall, okay. Oh my God. What, gold? Silver?
Silver's about to bump. Yep. The spread is crazy right now.
You gotta go wide.
Oh.
How much you make on that gold?
$100.
Just doing what? You're just doing one?
2 micros.
got Skinland wide. You know?
Yeah.
Come on. This has got to be the 8th wonder of the world, really.
It just doesn't go
This has got to be the 8th wonder. I mean, do you know last week it was trading 45, 47, 59 with the stop orders. It was down like 190 points. I mean, come on, man. Really. You know, come on. All right, we're going to do the giveaways at 9:50 here. I think we're doing the flex plans, if I'm not mistaken.
What's the name of the flex?
It's a complete different plan they came out with.
Ooh,
What? Silver?
a lot of contracts for sale on silver. 114. 114.1. More than gold, which is really strange.
Oh, they're doing rapid plans tonight? Okay. Well, then they're doing rapids.
It's really weird.
What?
The amount of contracts for sale on silver.
How many? The offers?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, let's see. That was a beautiful bull flag, though, on gold. Really great bull flag here. On the 5-minute. Right here. Beautiful bull flag. I can't believe I tried to sell gold at 62, and it said I was putting a stop order in. Like I know what I'm I know what I'm putting a stop order in. The new flexes are sweet. I think I got an announcement about that. Come on, silver. Come on, gold. Got a drop here. All right, we got 10 minutes before I start doing the raffles. And I'm just telling you, okay, I hope there are names I can read. If there's a name I can't read, next. Over. I went to the eye doctor today. I had to get new glasses and everything. So, and I had a throbbing kind of a migraine in my right eye the last couple of days. All right. What was the high? 62.80 on gold. Can't believe this dropped 7. GC going very high once it breaks. Love standing. Be great to see if these earnings really miss. You know?
It should actually.
All right. I got 10. This clock's off by 2 minutes. Ever since this clock's been off, gold's been going up. I got to change the clock. I've had this clock for close to 30 years. This is the clock I used to clock my tickets. Can you believe it?
That'd be pretty cool.
I blew right through the number.
Silver is bread.
So it was going?
Mm-hmm. It's almost at 114. It's big sell orders up there.
Meant to be taken.
1405, 1406, 1408, 1410, 13.
If this thing gets up to 114.20 to 60, I'd probably look to take a scalp short. Yeah, short this silver. You short? You got the long?
Long.
Damn, you crazy, bro.
It was gonna take those orders.
What time is it on your phone? 41?
42.
42? All right. Done. Oh, Papa Trump's hat. Are you crazy? Oh, my God. Please. Oh. Can't mess with Papa Trump. All right. 76 lots in silver. Oh, no. That's So gold was just trading yesterday at, it broke 5,049.83. I remember that print low. This gold, 49.83. So in 2 days, gold is up 270 points, 200, almost 80 points. If you're short the silver, just look to cover below 05. S&P is 3 points away from that 7,000. What? 7,000. It's 70.25. Oh, I'm so bearish. So let's see, a 5%, a 10% correction on silver, 5,200, a 5%. Well, that's, let me see. I'm doing 50.
7.5% a day.
It's a, yeah. So how much was it up today? That's silver.
7.5%.
I know that's, I'm talking gold. It's 263. Oh, SPX. All right. I think okay. I think think the gold now should start rolling over. You have on the gold, you have a 90 overbought reading. Just to give you an example on gold, I'm going to just show you guys something here. If you look at the bigger time frames here on the 30 and the 60-minute time frames, you can see gold here. Just give you 59. Look at this beautiful bull flag on the 60. What time was that? Oh, 1930. Oof. That was a monster long. Again, when you see that, this bull flag, the MACD positive ADX, you know it's going to explode. Oh, look at this. Die. Just dropped 10 on the gold. Silver just dropped. You short the silver? Why did you like shorting silver?
I've been burned some reason.
You just got to be fast, though.
Blown up so many gas in there.
Yeah, but I don't know. But if you see this beautiful bull flag here, now you're 60 points away just in silver, gold on the 30-minute. And on the hourly, you're 89 points to the 10 bar. 89. So that's $8. That's 80 points. That brings down to 50. Yeah. 72. Yeah. Okay, I got it. Oh my God, Micron, 419? You gotta be kidding me. Micron's up $9 after hours. Where are these things? This is gonna end bad. As much as I, love the economy and Papa Trump, this is just gonna end bad. This is just way over. Something's gonna come out of the woodwork. Yeah, and I don't wish anything bad here, but I'm just telling you, I've been in this game too long. And for things to go parabolic like this, I've seen it firsthand. You're done for the night?
Yeah.
Good.
1300.
1300? Okay.
You take that and run.
Go on, take the money and run.
I didn't realize minis move so like big.
Oh my God. The minis, you could be up or down $1,000 in 4 seconds. I'll just on one mini.
I thought it was like NASDAQ. NASDAQ is completely different. I'll be doing micros from now on.
Well, that's amazing though.
So I say, you read NASDAQ or hurt your feelings, try to trade silver.
Exactly. I agree. A parabolic metal is telling you something's broken, period. For a micro, it's $50 a penny, right? All right. All right. We got our raffle coming up here in exactly 3 minutes. What is this? What is the shot of what? I can't read it. Derringer? What the hell is that? Oh, micro's a 10 a penny, right? Silver is 50 a penny. Wow, $50 a penny. So you're talking 100 pennies. It's $5,000. So is that right? $5,000. So if silver goes from 14 to 15 on one big one, it's 5 Gs. Is that right? Hmm. So if you're long 30 big ones, that's a 30 big ones. 100. What?
Or is it 500?
Is it 500 or 5,000?
I think it's 500. If it was 5,000, I'd be blown up right now.
I think it's 500.
For a dollar move on silver is $5 grand.
It's 5,000. I just did the math.
Yeah,
It's 5,000
$5,000
On a mini?
on a big
on a
one.
big one.
Yeah, on a full.
On a full. Oh, yeah.
Not a micro. Can you imagine being long 30 big ones?
That move today, there was like whatever $10 on silver. I looked at the price. If you had a few contracts on there, it was like 200 some grand.
5,000. Sean, tell me five. I gotta listen to my buddy Sean. Sean, what's going on, good buddy? You traded the big ones, David? Are you freaking bananas? If this gold gets up to the 63.71 range, you gotta short it again. Of course, right in the middle of my raffle, I gotta go short now. Watch. $63 to $71. I'd probably look to short. All right, we're gonna do the raffles here, but I still would be looking for shorts up there.
Yeah, 5 big ones. That move this afternoon is $155.
Wow. All right, here we go. Let's do it. Where's Jennifer? Get in there, Jennifer. Kumar watches. Kumar watches. We're doing the rapid plans. Kumar watches.
It was too scary.
All right, cancel this. Look at this. I missed the short on the gold. All right, cancel the gold. I cancel it. Kumar watches. Again, if anybody wants a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me and full name and email 914-500-7484. Kumar watches. I'm giving him a chance here. I got to have a little leniency here. Kumar watches. Next. Can't.
Like that Jerry
Rest in peace.
Like that Seinfeld.
Kumar's looking for his watch. What the? No, see now. This is a name that even if You have 5 Johnny Walker Blacks and you can't say this name. Church, can you help me here? Church Zazella Fem. I can't say this word. I can't say it. I said if there's a name I can't read, it's over. I'm sorry. Church what? Here you go. Marshallese. Here's Marshallese. I saw Marshallese today. All right, Church Femi. All right, I'll give it to him. Denny, give it to him. The one before. I didn't see. Okay. All right. Church Zella Fem. All right, I'll give it to you. I'll make sure you get it. That's 2. I'm sorry, but can you give me a normal name next time, please? My brain hurts. Okay. All right, Church Fem, you're gonna get it. All right. You were here though, but I just can't pronounce it. Day Trade Tom. See, that's normal. That's normal, for Christ's sake. Day Trade Tom. Okay. Day Trade Tom. Day Trade Tom. Next. Here's an easy one. True. TRUE 6668. True. 6668. We got 500 here tonight. If this gold gets up to the 63.71, I'd short it. True 6668. Anybody? True 6668. Nope. Next.
Oh, True's here.
Oh, True's here?
Yeah.
Sorry. That's 3. Sorry. I apologize. Elski. ELSKIU. Elskew. Is that you sure? ELSKIU. ELSKIU.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
He's here?
Yeah.
Congratulations. That's 4. Visible ID. Visible ID. Is Visible ID here? Visible ID.
Not visible.
Next. Step Trade X. Step Trade X. Gold, look to cover the gold between 60 and 63 if you're short. Step Trade X. Step Trade X. Oh, look at this gold just drop. Step Trade X. You're welcome, Escu. Step Trade X. There he is. There you go. Congratulations. Look at the gold drop. Step Trade X. Congratulations. What the hell is this? Oh, no. Vikram C4H8K. What the hell is this? You're lucky I got a good heart, man. Vikram C4H8K. This is what I need glasses for.
I think he was on the last stream. He wasn't here either.
Vikram C4H8K. Can you just put like Vikram or something? What is all these gibberish? Right? I'm not cheating. Vikram C4H8K.
Somebody said it's the
Default. Next.
default names.
I don't even know what that means. Default. All right.
YouTube just gives it to you.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you don't change that.
VV Ghost. It doesn't matter. Oh, Vikram's here. All right, Vikram, congratulations. VV Ghost. VV Ghost. VV Ghost. Okay, I got it. You're in, Vikram. Don't worry about it. Take a chill pill. You're in. Okay. VV Ghost. If there's anybody that wants a 5-day free trial to my live stream, full name and email, 914-500-7484. VV Ghost, are you here? VV Ghost.
You do not see VV Ghost.
Next. Mr. 21. Mr. 21. Mr. 20. ONE 1. Yes, I think gold drops below 52.59. Mr. 21. Are you here?
Yeah, Mr. 21's here.
He's here. Congratulations. I think that's 7, right? Did you enter?
I did.
Rick Francis, who entered? Oh, what the hell is this? Christopher Gaddis, 26.95. Christopher Gaddis, 26.95. Christopher Gaddis, 26.95. Christopher Gaddis.
Yeah, he's here.
He's here. Congratulations, Christopher. It's going to drop this gold. Kumar watches. Gold, that's short to gold here. 65 up to 72 or 66 to 73. You got to go wide. Blessed, yes. That's a nice name. See that? Blessed, yes. Why, yes. Blessed, yes. Are you here, blessed, yes? Blessed, yes.
No.
Blessed, yes. Blessed, yes. Going once.
Oh, yep. Blessed yes is here.
Yo, see? All right.
And said blessed.
Okay. And you're blessed. Okay. Eddie Sargent, 6841. Eddie Sargent. Eddie Sargent, are you here? You got to be here to win. Eddie Sargent.
Definitely seen this guy before.
Oh my God, this goal's short. Eddie Sargent, are you here? Is he here?
I don't see him. Oh yeah, he's here.
Congratulations, Eddie Sargent. If you're short, I just look at this gold. Eddie Sargent. All right, everybody. Again, I want to thank MyFundedFutures for tonight. Thank you for all joining me. If you'd like to have a 5-day free trial to my live stream, please text me your full name and email, and text me at 914-500-7484. Also, please watch my podcast, The Bull, the Bear, and the Ugly, aired every night at 6 p.m. on the SK YouTube. I want to say thank you to Denny, thank you to Aaron, and thank you for all of you. It was fun. Okay. If you're short the gold here, look to cover the gold anywhere between the 58 and 64 range. This thing should drop here. You got 94 overbought readings, 92, 91s on the 30 and 60. Have a great night, everybody. God bless you. I'll see you tomorrow, and I'll be here tomorrow night from 8 to 10. Thank you again. Enjoy the rest of the night. God bless you. And, of course, as always, God bless the United States of America. Good night, everybody.
Yeah. Charts scribbled like hieroglyphs, secrets in the mist. Candlesticks whisper, every wick got a twist. Fibonacci spiral, price dance in a trance. Pyramids of profits if you catch the right glance.
Inner circle move, shadows on the screen. Trading on the edge, chasing that dream. Cipher in the candles, fortune in the haze. The cipher in the riddle, money through the maze.
Liquidity hunts, snipers in the dark. Stop loss graves marked by the market shark. Order block sermons, preaching through the pain. Catch the ICT code, ride the profit train.